Hi everyone, welcome to this course on data visualization with Tableau. When it comes to Tableau, it is one of the powerful and fastest growing data visualization tool used in the business intelligence industry. Not to mention the easiest one to learn as well. Tableau helps us to create the eye-catchy data visuals that can be understood by professionals at any level in the organization. In this course, we will follow a step-by-step guide on how to learn the same. We will start off with building an understanding on the Tableau interface, wherein we will get to know how much powerful data visualizations are. We will learn to connect to the data sources and will be building our first visualization as well. In section 2, we will learn about how to handle the data in Tableau, starting off with creating and managing extracts, governing metadata, implementing unions, joins, and relationships to better manage your data. Thereafter, we will move to section 3. Herein, we will learn about how to utilize and implement the built-in visuals in Tableau. Not only this, we will understand hierarchies and we will go beyond the built-in visuals as well. Over here, we will be building the thermometer charts, bump charts, and many more. Moving on to section 4, we will understand the analytical part of Tableau, utilizing the trend and reference lines. We will also have a hands-on with forecasting and clustering in Tableau. In section 5, we will explore the visual analytical capabilities available in Tableau, right from the filtering, formatting, to creating and using the sets, groups, and parameters in Tableau. In section 6, together, we will master the calculations using the built-in functions, table calculation, and level of detail expressions as well, and that too with specific use cases. Finally, in section 7, we will be creating our own dashboard. Moreover, we will also learn how to format, navigate, and apply actions over the same. On finishing this course, you will be a highly proficient Tableau user. You will not only learn about how Tableau works, but you will also understand why it works the way it works. You will be able to use your skills as a data analyst to extract relevant insights out of your data by analyzing and visualizing the same into useful KPIs and presentable Tableau dashboards. Well, let's get started.